Good day everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how to autocorrect on Google Docs. This tutorial should be pretty straightforward and really easy to follow, so anyone should be able to do this if you watch carefully. Now, please do not worry if you're not familiar with the whole interface of Google Docs, or if you're a beginner or even a first-timer on using Google Docs, as I will be here to guide you and show you the step-by-step process on how to do so. Now, let's get started. As you can see, I'm currently on a Google Docs file right over here with a sample paragraph. Also, before proceeding with anything else, please make sure that the Google Chrome you are using is completely up to date so that we will do the process smoothly and we will not encounter any errors along the way. Now, we can get started. In this Google Docs interface, what we would like to do is to focus on the upper panel of our screen, and as you can see, we have different tools to choose from right over here. Here are the tabs, and here is the ribbon. From the tab section, as you can see, we have different tools that we can use. What we would like to focus on in this video is the Tools tab. From the Tools tab, click it once, and as you can see, it will drop down a menu in which we can choose from a different options. Now, for the autocorrect, either you can go with the spelling and grammar checker, in which we have already done a video about. Please feel free to check it in the dedicated playlist that we have created compiling all the Google Docs tutorial. But for this video, what I will show you is the autocorrect feature which happens live while we are typing. Now, head over to the Preferences section, which is the second to the last. Click on it once, and as you can see right here, we have a set of different tick boxes. For the autocorrect, you can check on these ones or also this one. But for most case scenario, we would only prefer to use these automatically detect links, lists, and so on and so forth. It also has an automatically capitalize words feature and many more. If you want a reference on what to tick, just take a screenshot of this tick box section right here and copy it on your Google Docs. Once you are all set, click on the OK button, and now I will give you a sample. Let's say for example, I would like to type this phrase. Let's say for example, I have made a typographical error like this. If I press spacebar, as you can see, it autocorrects it to the appropriate version of the word or phrase. As simple as that, we have enabled the autocorrect feature on our Google Docs file. If you learned something in this video, please consider subscribing, hitting the notification bell, and dropping a like. For more videos like this, please head over to our playlist, which compiles all the Google Docs tutorial on our YouTube channel. From here, I'll see you guys next time, and thank you for watching.